subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to write a new article in Joomla 3.x. Open your favorite browser. Navigate to your Joomla 3.x homepage. Add /administrator to the end of the URL. Enter the username and password you have chosen during the installation process. Click Login. You have successfully logged into your Joomla dashboard. In the top left menu, click on Content and then select Article Manager from the drop-down menu. Click New in the top left. Article Editor page will open. On this page, enter a title for your article. Choose a suitable category. In the empty field, enter the content for your article. You can use the WYSIWYG editor to write and format your article. You can also add text, images, links, and more. When you're finished writing your article, click the Save button in the top left menu. You won't be able to see your article on front end of your website until you link to the article using Joomla menu. Please watch our next tutorial to learn how to link articles in Joomla menu. Thank you for watching.